Good afternoon, everyone. This is Justin from MarineMax here in Westbrook, Connecticut. Today we're standing on the 360 Outrage by Boston Whaler. This boat is very unique. First, it comes equipped with triple 400s, Mercury 400 V10s, naturally aspirated. The very unique part about this boat is this is the first black gel coat of its kind here, and it's here in New England. The nice part about the gel coat, Boston Whaler has taken about 2.5, 3 years to design a black scratch resistant gel coat. What that does versus the paint versions of boats is it limits the cost. If there is any damage, a little dock rash, you need to get some work done, it is a gel coat, not a paint. So I wanted to discuss that. This is the first one of its kind. While we're here, let's talk about the ample room we have here. Whether we're entertaining or fishing, I'm going to show you some cool features that I like about this boat. First is the aft seating, bench seating. This is a beautiful, well-cushioned seat. It's comfortable when you're sitting and you're underway, especially in some rough seas. And with just a quick 2-second move of lifting this, it stows, so now you can fish right off the aft of the boat. Another feature I want to talk about back here is we call it the dive door or the tuna door, I guess, as it's been labeled. This door opens nice and gently, huge hinges on it. It locks into place and you have easy access to get your catch aboard or to jump out and get into the water and enjoy some nice hot summer day festivities. With a quick pull, this latches back up. Beautiful hardware here, and it's latched into place to be underway. As you notice, you can see the size of the hardware. Boston Whaler does take their time in detail in making everything, all their hardware and their stainless steel, oversized in the industry. A couple other features we can discuss while we're back here. This table, what a great table. This is a teak inlay. You can get it without if you so choose. You have 4 cup holders. It's a great workstation. The notch out here is for 2 separate things. One, these are considered steps, so you can step up right to the rail and access the top of the boat. Second part of this is with a quick flip back, because we're going to go underway. And you now have 2 bucket seats, very comfortable aft face lounge while underway. I have my remote right here to listen to music. I can adjust the volume so we can be talking if we need to underway and not affecting the helmsman. So we're going to move on up a little bit and talk about the helm next. So here on the helm on this 360 Outrage, you have 3 comfortable seats. It is a true center console. You are operating the boat from the center of the boat, the center line of the boat. You can see the oversized Simrad screens, which is all integrated. You have your Simrad VHF. You have your throttles here and your joystick here. As you notice, you also have your active auto and active trim here. Nice, easy, accessible, ergonomic. I love this. It's a little glove box up here. They do this on a lot of whalers. But what's nice is when you close this black um, uh, shadow that's on it, I can use it as a rear view mirror if I do need to. It's just a unique feature. As Boston Whaler does, they appoint and equip every one of their boats to make it either whether you're an avid fisherman or a family man and you're just out running around, they make it comfortable and ease of use on every model. So a unique feature here, Boston Whaler has designed a yacht style closing door that will lift, close, lock, and seal. They've designed this out of the super yacht industry, giving a spray and draft free area, a berth area that you can stay a little overnight. I'm going to head down inside and we can talk more about what's in there. So down below here, look at the amount of headroom. As everybody says, I'm 6 feet tall, but I really am 6 feet tall, and I am clear of this. You have push button lights, which is nice and easy accessible. You do have a sink, a toilet that converts into a little wet shower. Right here, you can see the curtain. We'll come around so you can rinse off. This is a really unique space. So there's storage here, and with just a pull of this latch, you now have a sleeping area. After it's folded down, you've got a nice little area to get out of the weather and spend the evening. It's very comfortable and very unique feature, I guess, on a 36-foot center console. You wouldn't expect the amount of room down here. Let's take a walk out to the bow, and I'll show you some very unique features out there. So out here on the bow on this 360 Outrage, you can see the ample seating that's out here. One of the things that we want to talk about is just how plush the seating is on a center console fishing boat. This seat, look at the size of the cushions and how comfortable it is. You're able to sustain a 4 to 5 foot wake while sitting out here, very comfortable and dry. And beautiful backrest, so I'm able to sit and relax while I'm underway and enjoy the scenery. And then if we want to fold it down to cover up at the end of the day, it's really easy to lift up and it locks itself into place. Great storage underneath the center here. Great lounger. One of the other details I want to talk about is a lot of lounges, it's the same height going straight across. You can see where they lift the exterior and the center, so you feel like you're almost in a cockpit when you're sitting and you're underway. It kind of keeps you in the seat and not sliding around on a mono level seat, let's call it. So folks, this is the Boston Whaler 360 Outrage. Please come on down, give us a call, set up an appointment. This boat could be yours today. Until we talk again, this is Justin and MarineMax in Westbrook, and I look forward to seeing you. Take care. Have a good day.